Hello and welcome to your own channel, My Money Streaks. After doing the book review of Rich Dad and Poor Dad and Easy Money, today I have come to you with a new book, and the book is written on Mr. Warren Buffett, the world's greatest investor, greatest philanthropist, and the simplest capitalist I have seen in my life. So the book is Warren Buffett Way: Investment Strategies of the World's Greatest Investors. It is written by Robert G. Hackstrom Jr. and the forewords are by Howard Marks, Bill Miller, Peter Lynch, and Kenneth L. Fisher. Kenneth L. Fisher is the son of Phil Fisher. In easy language and anecdotes, this book takes us through his real life investing decisions and applications of various investing methods like discount cash flow, intrinsic value, margin of safety, etc. What are the more important metrics compared to PE ratio and EPS calculation? His swift transition into his own style after learning from Benjamin Graham, from Philip Fisher, and in partnership with Charlie Munger. His legendary investments, Geico, Washington Post, Coca-Cola, General Dynamics, Wells Fargo, American Express, IBM, these companies are very well discussed, and these companies are discussed like businesses and not just a stock investing option. This book brings out an interesting comparison between two legendary investors, Philip Fisher and Benjamin Graham, and their contradictory investing style. While Benjamin Graham focused on quantitative analysis and finding bottom stocks, Philip Fisher believed in qualitative analysis, quality of business, and quality picking of stock to keep them for a long-term investment. He believed in focused investing. He didn't believe in too much of diversification. Warren Buffett is known to be a protege of Benjamin Graham. However, this is not 100% true. He is equally influenced by Philip Fisher's guidance and Mr. Charlie Munger, who also had an inclination towards Philip Fisher style of investing, who focused on more quality rather than quantity. So 1970 onwards, Warren's investing style became more qualitative focused, while he of course kept on focusing on and harping on the margin of safety, intrinsic value. Still, his focus became more prominent towards the qualitative stocks. That is how he invested in Coca-Cola too. In this book, you will come to know about very important investment decisions of his life and the intricate details of how those investments were taken. What were the decisions taken? How they evaluated a company, and those points are not only focused on that particular investment. The book is written in a manner that every investor, every aspiring investor can learn something from it. The book is written in a very simple language. One doesn't need to be a finance graduate to understand this, but one investor can definitely learn a lot by reading this book, repeatedly. If you are liking this video, please check out my videos on investment, second income options, and book reviews. Now let's discuss the book a little more. This book encourages reader to find their own way after teaching them some concepts like margin of safety, intrinsic value, discount cash flow, and various metrics. This book teaches the reader to look at a company like a business option and not a stock trading platform. This book talks about value investing. Whoever the inspiration is, be it Philip Fisher, be it Benjamin Graham, both believed in value investing, and Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger also follow that concept. They always try to find a value investment and try to keep it for a long term, enjoy the growth of the company, and sell only it becomes very expensive or sometimes a wrong decision realized. Warren Buffett Way is an inspiring book, especially for the new investors. who's just started investing and just looking at the stock script without understanding what is the quality of a company beneath that script code. This book helped me to focus on the business it is, the what kind of quality management runs the business, what kind of assets the business has, what kind of growth potential we should be looking at. This book has inspired me to think like an investor rather than making some quick buck here and there from the stock market. This book is inspiring. This is not a one time read. This book should be read twice, thrice, in fact, sometimes every year, to get your back on track and just to focus on this inspiring quotes by Mr. Buffett, Mr. Munger, Mr. Ben Graham, Phil Fisher, and focus on these terms like discount cash flow, P ratio, return on equity, debt to equity ratio, intrinsic value, and margin of safety. The margin of safety is a key word in Warren Buffett's investing style, and it is taught by Benjamin Graham. What is your view on the book? Please do read it and share your experience and your learnings in the comment section. You can follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Look forward to see you soon with a new video on investing, second income option, or a book review. Till then, bye. Thank you.